Hi friends, how are you? By blessing to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Pokemon University, Vassavir, Balasore, Odisha, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Pokemon University, Vassavir, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे द 60 vital short form with regard to the banking. I mean the 60 important and the tough abbreviation so far as the banking concept is concerned. So far as to the discussion, आज का discussion will be very useful for all types of competitive examinations, specifically for the banking competitive examination. So definitely आज का discussion will be much helpful to enhance your banking awareness. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, without any delay, without wasting our golden time, let's start today's discussion one by one. The 60 short forms or the 60 banking abbreviations. So again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So again, I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video. It's a very short video and definitely you will enjoy and you will also be comfortable in your upcoming competitive examination. For the upcoming competitive examination, wishing all the very best. Discussion will be very useful so far as that is the commerce management and the other related subject. I mean for the economic subjects, because one paper is there, that is the fundamentals of banking or the bank management. So first one, it's the A/C. What is this? It's the account. MICR. What is this? Its full form is मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन. आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है MICR का. द मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन लाइन, इट्स MICR. व्हाट इज दिस? इट्स ए स्ट्रिप ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स ऑन ए चेक दैट आइडेंटिफाइज द अकाउंट और routing and the check the number. That is the main purpose of MICR. Then next one is what is OD, friends. OD, it stands for overdraft. What is this? So overdraft is an extension of credit from one financial institution to its customer when they execute a transaction for which the account holder has insufficient funds. So here the bank will give the overdraft facility to a customer can draw more amount than the balance amount of his or her account. It's the मतलब of क्या OD. So next one हम देखेंगे ATM. So it's we are getting the benefit 24/7 the ATM services. So it stands for automated teller machine. Then RTGS, what is this? It's the real time gross settlement. NEFT, what is this? It's the national electronic fund transfer. So friends, so this that one customer can transfer the fund from one account to another account or from one person to another person through the online. So friends, recently I have posted one video, what is the basic difference between RTGS and NEFT. Kindly go through the posted video. So far as that is the abbreviation of the short form. So friends, it's the part 7. Kindly go through the playlist. You will know more and more. Next one is what is CC. CC stands for cash credit. CA, it stands for current accounts. Mainly the current accounts, the banks are providing that is the current account to whom? Mainly to the businessman. Then FD, where the rate of interest is higher, and that is the saving banking product. FD, it stands for fixed deposit. So normally, so these are the types of bank account, that is saving account, current account, demand account, fixed account, ANRI account, then the recurring deposit account. So ANRI, it's what is this? Non-resident Indian account. So demand account is open. So mainly for the purpose of trading purposes, I mean the buying and selling the securities in the stock market. Next one, what is this RD? It's the recurring deposits. It's also another saving banking product. A bank provides or offers to the public. Then or to customer. SB, that is the savings bank account. Then CIBIL, what is this? So it's the Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. So what is the purpose? काम क्या है CIBIL? So CIBIL is a credit information company engaged in the maintenance of records of all credit related activities of individuals as well as organism. That is the मतलब और main motto of CIBIL. So next one हम देखेंगे EMI. So more or less friends, you are acquainted with it or you have heard about the EMI. So what is this? So it's equated monthly installment. So EMI, when a customer takes loans from the bank, so bank will fix the EMI. So it's equated monthly installment. Then KYC, without KYC, so a customer cannot make any transaction with the bank. So know your customer. Then DD, so it's the demand draft. Hi friends, so what is the matlab or meaning of a demand draft क्या है? So demand draft is a prepaid instrument which is used to transfer money from one bank account to another. So ये मतलब है क्या? Demand draft. Next हम देखेंगे IBBI. What is this? It's the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Then IDBI, it stands for what is this? Industrial Development Bank of India. So normally IDBI provides the long-term loans to the industry. So IDBI establishment year क्या है? 1964. LAB, what is this? It stands for Local Area Bank. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे IFC. सो इंडियन फिनेंशियल सिस्टम कोड कितना डिजिट है? IFC में 11 digits. So friends, you have to remember. Then what is this NPA? NPA is what is this? It's the non-performing asset. So NPA, what is the मतलब क्या है और meaning of NPA? So it's the classification of loans or advances that in a default or in arrear. So when a customer will default to repay the EMI, both that is the principal amount or the interest amount of the loan. So in this situation, the bank will declare the loan, that is the NPA, after 90 days. Then the loan amount will be treated as what is this NPA. Friends, you have to remember. Then OTP, one time password. Then BACS. What is this? Friends, it stands for Bankers Automated Clearing Services. Then CCC. What is this? Currency Conversion Charge. CDM, friends, what is this? The machine is that is the CDM, Cash Deposit Machine. Next one हम देखेंगे. So what is CHG? It's friends charge. CHQ, what is this friends? It's the check. It's the sample of check. Then CR, it's the credit. When the deposit amount will be deposited in your account, so here the bank will credit. Next one, that is the CHS. Friends, what is this? It's the cash. Then DR, it's that is the debit. When you will withdraw or you will make any payment, whether RTGS, NFT or online, when you will transfer the fund from your account to another account, so in this situation the bank will debit your account. So NHB, what is this friends? It's the National Housing Bank. Next one हम देखेंगे what is this? That is the IDD. Friends, it's the International Direct Deposit. INT, what is this friends? It's the interest. Then SWIFT, SWIFT, what is this? Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Communication. Again I am repeating friends. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Next one हम देखेंगे friends, what is the TIN? Full form of TIN क्या है? Taxpayer Identification Number. Then friends, that is the OTR. What is this friends? It's a one-time registration, or you can say that is online banking transaction. Then SAL, SAL, SAL. Friends, what is this? It's the salary. आइए friends, हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है SWIFT. SWIFT is a global member-owned cooperative that functions as a huge messaging system. So next one हम देखेंगे what is this AML. Friends, it's so far the banking is concerned or banking term is concerned, it's the anti-money laundering. Then IBAN, what is this friends? It's the International Bank Account Number. Then NABARD, friends, what is the full form of NABARD? So it's the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Friends, so NABARD has been established. कौन सा ईयर में एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था? It's a 1982. Next one हम देखेंगे RWA. Friends, what is this? It's the risk weighted assets. What is this? So risk weighted assets, a bank's loans and other assets weighted according to risks to determine the minimum amount of capital it must hold. That a bank will face what is this credit risk, liquidity risk and other systematic and unsystematic risks. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video, the different types of risks and what is the basic difference between systematic risks and unsystematic risks. Kindly go through the posted video. Then what is full form क्या है SIDBI का? So it's a Small Industries Development Bank of India. Its establishment year है क्या? It's 1990. Then Exim Bank, friends, it's a Export and Import Bank of India. So Exim Bank or Export Import Bank or Exim Bank of India Act passed in that is September of 1981, and the bank or Exim Bank commenced its business in March 1992. Friends, you have to remember. Next one हम देखेंगे what is this SCB. SCB, friends, it stands for that is the Scheduled Commercial Banks. So normally we will find on the basis of that is the scheduling two types of bank, that is the scheduled commercial banks and the non-scheduled commercial banks. So SCB is a commercial banks which is included in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Friends, you have to remember RBI Act is that is 1934. Almost all commercial banks, मतलब public sector banks and private sector banks and the other cooperative banks, so they are coming under the scheduled commercial banks, or they will be treated as the scheduled commercial banks. So they have qualified what is this, the second schedule of the RBI Act. So kindly go through the RBI website. Definitely you will know what is the or what are the contents of the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Next one हम देखेंगे RRBs. What is this, friends? It stands for Regional Rural Banks. Its establishment year is that is 1975 and RRBs Act is 1976. And friends, so first RRB banks in India, that is the Prathama Bank. Next हम देखेंगे RRBs. What is the main objectives of RRBs? So RRBs were established in India to provide the banking and financial services mainly to rural and urban areas in India. Next, it's NBFC. What is this, friends? It's the non-banking financial companies. So what are the objectives of NBFC? So NBFC provide the long-term credit to the industries, and NBFC also are also make the provision for the growth of the national income. NBFC also generates the employment opportunity in India, as well as NBFC also are helpful for the movement of funds. NBFC also give the that is or create the provision and scope for the better standard of living. NBFC also strengthen the financial market. So these are the main objectives of किसका NBFC. नेक्स्ट वन आइए फ्रेंड्स हम देखेंगे ACARDB. इट स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट? स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट बैंक. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स SCARDB. इट्स स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट बैंक. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे दैट इज द वाइटल दैट इज द टर्म्स ऑफ बैंकिंग or banks. SLR, what is this, friends? It stands for statutory liquidity ratio, and SLR it is the percentage of deposits of a bank which must be kept in liquid assets such as the bank has to keep in cash, gold or government securities. By its these can be converted at any time without losing in value in order to make the liquidity provision to the customers. It's the meaning of SLR. So next one, what is CRR? Friends, it's the cash reserve ratio. So CRR is the minimum amount of a bank's deposit that must be kept as a reserves with the RBI. Friends, the Reserve Bank of India. Friends, for your kind information, RBI is the regulator, RBI is the captain, RBI is all in all for the commercial banks, or so far as the Indian banking industry is concerned. So next one is that is PLR. What is this, friends? So it's the PLR, it's the prime lending ratio. PLR is the interest rate that banks charge their most credit worthy customers. So PLR is a key factor which determines the interest rate for the different types of loans, as well as PLR is a benchmark rate for other interest rates. So friends, these are the vital concepts so far as the banking, SLR, CRR, PLR. Next one हम देखेंगे what is the full form of DAN. Friends, so DAN is that is the deposit account number. Then ADB, what is this, friends? It's a Asian Development Bank. Its establishment year is 1966 and its headquarters is where? Philippines. Then BIS, what is the full form of BIS? So Bank for International Settlement. Next one, friends, हम देखेंगे BSCS. What is this? Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. So what the Basel Committee of Banking Supervision, its establishment year is 1974. So Basel is a city in Switzerland. Mainly who are the members countries? Mainly the central banks. So main objective is what is this? That to maintain the international banking standard. In order to that, also the risks and uncertainties will be reduced. Then what is the full form of IBRD? Friends, it's that is the International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. So right now, its the name has been changed to World Bank. Name has been changed to IBRD. So its establishment year is just after the Second World War, 1944. The IBRD has been established and headquarter कहाँ पर है? Washington DC, USA, America. Then what is the full form of IIBI? Its friends, that is the Industrial Investment Bank of India. Its establishment year is 1971. That the government of India has established IIBI for the purpose of or it's the financial investment institution to help, that is the failing industries or seed industries. Next हम देखेंगे what is a IIBF. What is this? It's the International Institute of Banking and Finance. LDB, friends, it stands for Local Development Bank. Then RLA, friends, what is this? Recovery of loans and advances. Next हम देखेंगे CVV. What is this? In backside in your ATM card, kindly friends you check what is this. It stands for कार्ड वेरिफिकेशन वैल्यू. मतलब क्या है? CVV का. सो CVV इज ए 3 or 4 digit number. Kindly friends you verify. Just right now you open the ATM card or debit card, which helps prevent the fraud when using a credit or a debit card. It's also called what is this? Card security code or card verification number. Last but not the least, friends, what is the full form of UPI? Friends, it is Unified Payments Interface. It's so मतलब क्या? What is the use or objectives of main objectives of UPI? So UPI is a real-time payment system which allows users to make the money transfers and other transactions by using a mobile app. So friends, so these are all about today's discussion. So friends, I am hopeful that you have learned a lot. So if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe my channel, kindly share it, kindly you forward it. So before concluding our discussion, again I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming competitive examination as well as the semester exam. So thanks a lot to all of you.